At Domino, we are in a great position to be able to help our customers by providing them with the best solutions for their marking and coding needs. This can be anything from planning service intervals through to providing them with the best inks for their lines and print requirements. Our starting point is understanding the customer's needs and then making sure we provide them with the most suitable solutions within their factory and production environment. This is why we felt that the Gx-Series printers would be the best option for meeting the needs at the Iberlinares factory. Iberlinares produce a range of specialty meats, and like all food facilities that we work with, they had some key requirements for us and our printers to fulfill. The printers themselves have a lower cost of ownership, so integrating them into their existing production lines and operating them was straightforward and cost-effective. The Gx-Series is also extremely flexible, as you are able to run multiple print heads from a single printer. As for the running of the printers, the Gx-Series have almost zero requirements for service and maintenance, so as a result there is no downtime caused by the printers, maximizing Iberlinares' production capabilities. As the printers are in environments that deal with food, the units and their surroundings must be kept clean. The Gx-350i produces a very clean, clear print without any ink spillage, making them the perfect printer for their production lines. The inks we supply have to be specific for the job too, as they need to be fast-drying and safe to use on food packaging. Ultimately, the Gx-350i is a great coding solution for Iberlinares meat production, as they are clean, easy to use and reliable.